Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll discuss about the Juniper BGP configuration on Junos routers as part of JNCIA Lab. Before we start exploring the configuration of the Junos routers, and what we are going to set is first we'll set the autonomous system and the router ID and BGP group and neighbors. In case if you have like more than one or two neighbors, and if you want to configure like more policies into it, instead of mentioning into one by one neighbors, you can apply into the group so that it will apply to all the neighbor listed under the group. That we will explore. Then we will be doing the route advertisement on the router. Okay, so this is the lab setup that I'm going to use. I'm going to configure a BGP, which is iBGP between R1 and R2 router. Okay, so I already have the reachability between router 1 and router 2 into the 0.1 source 1.0.1. So you can see I already have the reachability between both the routers. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the BGP configuration. For that I will enter into the configuration mode. First we will set the autonomous system. For that we have to go inside set routing option, autonomous system. So I'll just mention as 445. You can use anything for your lab. Set routing option. Now I'm going to pick a router ID, which is my 1.0.0.1, which is my loopback interface. Now I've done the configuration on router 1. Now I'll have to do the same in router 2 as well. What I'm going to do is I'm simply copy pasting the configuration to save the time in typing. Okay. Next we will enter into the BGP configuration. There are two ways you can do. From configuration mode, you can directly enter the configuration, or you can go into that BGP hierarchy under the group. Then we can be able to do the configuration. So for easy method, I will go under the BGP protocol hierarchy, edit protocol, BGP group. As simple as I'll use this as an iBGP. Now I'll have to set the certain parameters like what is my local AS. I can configure in the neighbor as well as in the group also if it's all iBGP. So I'm gonna set this type is internal because it's an iBGP. Then set local address. As you know, iBGP that will be forming between the loopback address. So when the BGP packet sent, ideally it will take the exit interface IP. For that, we are mentioning that we need to mention the loopback IP here so that it will all the update will be sent via this particular address that we are mentioning. Then we'll be configuring the set neighbor, which is 2.0.0.1 here as 5. Yes, let's see. Okay, this is my configuration so far. I'll go in the top and I'll again use a command show pipe compare. Okay, so next I'll log into R2 protocol BGP group. So edit group iBGP type is internal, set local address is 0.0.1 and set neighbor as 1.0.0.1. Here is 445. Top, I'll do the commit. Now the BGP should come up. Let's see. Then show BGP summary. Yes, now the BGP is advertised. Sorry, the BGP is established between both the router. As you can see, this is my peer address and this is the AS. As you can see, the state is established, and you can see this is the inet.0. It's a plain IPv4 BGP session, and you can see there are no routes as currently is advertised. The next step is advertising a route, which is my loopback IP from R1 to R2 using BGP. For that, I need to enter in. I need to create a policy in Juniper. Like in no in Cisco, you use a network command. In Nokia, also you use the policy statement. In Juniper, also we'll use the policy statement. Set. I'll go inside the policy option. Set policy option policy statement. I will use a name export iBGP term one from protocol. I'll say like I need to use set command. Set from interface 0.0 set, then accept. So basically I'm advertising the loopback interface. In case if you have like a static route you want to advertise, that is also can be done. Sure. Okay, method show file compare. Yes, this is the configuration addition that we have done. Then what we are going to do, we are going to call this export policy into neighbor export statement. Set protocol BGP group iBGP neighbor, use a command export. uh, Currently the configuration is not committed, so I'll type it manually iBGP. Yes, done. What I'm going to, again I'm going to check the configuration, show pipe compare and commit. That's it. Let's check now. Show BGP summary. It's getting advertised. It's saying 0. Let's log into R2 and check. And show BGP summary. Now you can see it's not active, but it advertising and receiving the one route from here, right? So I'm not sure why it's not showing. Maybe I need to check. And show route advertising protocol BGP neighbor is 2.0.0.1. Yeah, here you can see it is advertising. Maybe some bug, I'm not sure, sure why it is not showing here, but here you can clearly say it is advertising the 1.0.0.1, and you can see the next stop is self. You can check more extensive details of this output. Here you can see the next stop is self, and the local preference is 100, and the AS path is 445. And from here and not to, you can also check show route. So we have to give run show route pro, show route protocol. Which protocol it is? Here checking BGP. Yes, here you can see the path is valid. It's injected into inet.0 table and it's advertised from this, from 1.0.0.1, and next stop is via kick 0/0/0. And now what we have done, we have done the configuration of BGP, which is high BGP we have done, and then we did the advertiser route, and then we did the verification. Hope it helpful for you guys. If you have any doubt, you can comment, so that whenever I get a time, I will respond to your comment. And thanks for watching. If you like the videos, or if you're watching, just hit a like button and comment, so that it will reach to many other peoples. Thank you very much for watching the video.